Welcome to Educare 247. So today we have some important news for you, some important updates with respect to NMAT 2020. So we already had given you a schedule that was out on NMAT's website initially around. So this is an update with respect to that. So let's get started. So what's this update that has come? So on the NMAT website initially around we had given a table that was updated by the NMAT authorities. So now in this important dates column they have updated coming soon. All right, so they have updated coming soon. So basically they have not announced any specific dates as yet under the important dates, and they have just tentatively put coming soon over here. All right, because as we know these are very uncertain times with respect to COVID, so they might be charting some new plan and new possibilities, right? So we'll explore what all possibilities are there now with this change of this specific coming soon on the website, right? So the first and foremost thing, there is no need to panic, alright? NMAT and NMAT by GMAT is a premier body. They are responsible for conducting GMAT as well. So it's not like they are going to keep you hanging, but they are taking all possibilities into count. That is why they might have updated it to coming soon, right? Because these are uncertain times of COVID-19. Alright, so they had initially declared from October 1, all the process was starting. What are the possibilities now? So one possibility is it can be delayed, right? The exam can be slightly delayed with proper infrastructure and proper planning with respect to the COVID scenario. Second is they might even think of conducting it from the home. All right, conducting it from home. Many examinations are planning this process. All right, so NMAT might even be considering this. So we do not know for sure what step they will do out of this if the scenario for coronavirus is not resolved by then. All right, but I'm very sure that the authorities are working on this and they will come up with a solution and proper information for all the students. And also, as this is happening, even our team is trying to get in touch with the NMAT authorities to get a hang of what actually is going to happen. So as soon as we have any information, we'll share with you guys. Do not worry at all. So basically, what should the students do now? Alright, the students should not take anything for granted. We have to consider the original dates as the date of NMAT, and we have to start preparing with that direction only. The timetable that I've given you for study in the last video of how to prepare on NMAT, please do follow that. Please be strong in your arithmetics. Alright, modern maths, vocabulary, your data sufficiency, and speed maths. Speed maths with respect to your DI, right? Apart from that, keep a strong hold parallelly with your LR. Alright, so puzzles and critical reasoning are the cream topics. Obviously other topics are there, but these are the cream topics. So you have to make sure that you master these topics, and if in case we have extra time in our hand, we'll be practicing it thoroughly. Alright, so please do not take this coming soon thing for granted and keep preparing the same way that you were doing. And in fact, if you have not started preparing and you were in a dilemma that if I am late or something like that, now is the chance to start. Do not delay this. So that's it guys in this video. If I have any update from NMAT, I'll surely connect with you guys and share with you. Thank you and happy learning.